Hi guys, so today I am going to show you a full leg workout, a beginner, intermediate to advanced full leg workout at the gym. If you're new to the gym and are unsure of what exercises to do, then definitely this workout is for you. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Okay guys, let's first start by getting those glutes activated. Here I am doing 25 repetitions of fire hydrants. Activating your glutes helps you warm up and perform moves properly. Try not to rush it and to control the movement to reach that mind-muscle connection. Slow and controlled. I am just going to do one set of 25 reps on each leg. And this is also a great position to practice the stomach vacuum exercise. The main cues are breathing out all the air and then drawing your belly button in as far as you can towards the spine. The idea is that you are going to hold the stomach vacuum as long as you can. For just starting out, 20 seconds is a reasonable goal. You can do this 3 times. I am now doing squat kickbacks. I will be doing a superset, performing 2 exercises back to back. This effectively doubles the amount of work you are doing. I will be moving on to squat jumps, and I will go on to failure for more hypertrophy. You want to get your heart rate to beat faster. This trains your body to move oxygen and blood to your muscles more efficiently, and it helps you to burn more calories as well as lowers your cholesterol. And after this, I am ready for the real workout. If you are just starting out at the gym, I highly recommend starting your workouts with free weights. Here I am doing deadlifts. And to be more specific, these are called conventional deadlifts. You can definitely start with just the barbell itself to get the proper form without injuring yourself, trying to carry a heavy load with the wrong form. So try to get your form right with lighter weight. 135 is light for me, and I will be doing 12 to 15 reps to develop endurance. However, for you it may look different. You can decrease the weight and do as many reps as long as it's challenging for you. Here I am simply increasing my weight after each set. I am overloading my muscles, increasing the amount of tension to stimulate muscle growth. Deadlifts are a compound exercise, which means that this exercise trains many muscles at once. They also allow you to lift heavier weights, putting dozens of muscles and multiple joints through larger ranges of motion. So, do I recommend you adding compound exercises to your routine? Absolutely. If your goal is to get stronger, the more weight you can pull, the more definition you are going to have. If your goal is to gain muscle as quickly as possible, the best way to do it is by gaining strength as quickly as possible. Don't be intimidated when doing this exercise, and don't worry about what people might think. Just keep practicing, and I assure you that with consistency, you will get better at it. Look at the bigger picture and see yourself confident as you keep on making progress in perfectioning each workout. I don't want you relying just on the machines at the gym. Free weights help develop greater power. As compared to machines, free weights are a more efficient way to hit most fitness goals, including increasing strength and muscle size, changing body composition, and weight loss. So if you want to lose weight, do 1 to 3 sets with a load that allows you to perform 10 to 12 repetitions with effort. To gain muscle, do 3 or more sets with a load that allows you to perform 6 to 8 reps before you get tired. Beginners should start working at this level. And to develop endurance, 1 to 3 sets with a load that allows you to perform 12 to 16 repetitions with effort. And for the rest periods, when working with heavy loads, you should rest for about 2 minutes. And if you are working with lighter loads, rest for 30 seconds to 1 minute. The more intense the workout, the longer the breaks. There is another type of deadlifts called Sumo deadlifts, and those are the ones I am doing right here. It's basically a variation of the conventional deadlifts that you just saw me do earlier. The difference between the two lies in the setup of the feet and hands. When the bar is gripped with your hands inside your legs, the form is considered sumo. Here, as you can see, I am lowering the weight on each set and increasing the repetitions. The less weight I put in my barbell, the more repetitions I do. And you get the idea. And also you can see I am a lot faster at picking the weight from the ground. And from here on, the workout gets a lot easier, guys. And a good leg workout could not be completed without some good squats. And I didn't include them in today's workout, but I did make a whole video about how to get better at squatting that I will link right here for you to go check it out. When you finish watching the whole video, you can come back and click the top right corner of this video, and I will also put the link down below in the description box.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me?
And now we are moving to what many call it the queen of glute exercises, the hip thrusts. I am simply using only the barbell to demonstrate how I do it. Try to be very aligned underneath the bar. I am going to take a big deep breath through my nose and let all my air out through my mouth. And then I brace my core and drive through my heels. Once you try it without any weight at first, and making sure that you are feeling the exercise mainly in your glutes rather than your thighs or lower back, you can start adding weight to the barbell. There is 2 other types of hip thrust variations, like the glute bridge that works the same muscles as the hip thrust, but is unweighted. So it works perfect to build some strength and confidence before resting a barbell across your thighs. And single leg hip thrusts are an advanced variation on the hip thrust. So it's best to try it without using any weights first. Hip thrusts build strength and size in your glutes in a way many other exercises cannot. Glute strength is important for the stabilization of your core, pelvis, and lower body.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
And these ones are what I call more like accessory exercises that for the most part I leave to the end of my heavy lifts. Although Bulgarian split squats are not the foundation of my workout, I have so many good things to say about them. This is an amazing exercise that will strengthen the muscles of the legs, including the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. And is excellent for your core, as it forces it to work in overdrive to maintain your balance. So definitely give this one a try. At last but not least, the elevated sumo squats. Give yourself a few feet and stand wide without overextending. This one strengthens the quadriceps, gluteus muscles, hips, hamstrings, and your calves. And we finally made it to the end of this video. Remember that great things take time. Muscles need time to recover and grow. So it is convenient that you leave at least 48 hours between each training session of the same muscle group. So guys, I hope you learned something new today. And if you want to be the best, you have to work harder than the rest. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on my next one. Peace.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle.